The 2026 Kenworth T2000 has rewritten every rule in the world of luxury motorhomes. What was once imagined only in movies or billionaire fantasy concepts has now become a breathtaking reality. A massive 3-story rolling mansion that is genuinely larger, taller, and more luxurious than many actual homes. This isn't simply an RV, this is a full-scale mobile palace built on the legendary power of Kenworth engineering, combined with the extravagant lifestyle of the ultra-elite. From the outside, the 2026 Kenworth T2000 demands attention with its towering multi-level structure and futuristic white exterior that shines like polished pearl. The aerodynamics, despite its size, have been engineered with precision, allowing the vehicle to glide effortlessly on highways. LED light strips wrap around each level, giving the motorhome a spaceship-like presence during nighttime travel. With its massive height, panoramic windows, chrome accents, and luxurious design language, it feels like you're looking at an ultra-modern mansion rather than something on wheels. Inside, the spectacle becomes even more unbelievable. The moment you step into the T2000 motorhome, you're greeted with a breathtaking 3-level interior that feels like walking into a luxury penthouse suite. The first floor is designed as a grand living space, complete with plush leather seating, a cinematic lounge, a marble finish kitchen, and full-size appliances that rival those found in high-end apartments. Every corner is illuminated by soft ambient lighting that adjusts automatically to mood and time of day. As you ascend the glass staircase to the second level, the space opens into private luxury zones, spacious bedrooms, smart bathrooms with rainfall showers, and walk-in storage rooms. The designers have crafted an interior experience that blends hotel-like elegance with the comfort of a personal sanctuary. Every surface, from the counters to the walls, carries premium materials that speak to refined taste: brushed aluminum, marble, fine leather, and crystal-clear glass. The third floor is the showstopper. It serves as an exclusive rooftop penthouse deck enclosed with glass, offering an elevated 360-degree view of the surroundings. Whether used as a private lounge, an office, a mini cinema, or a recreational sky suite, the top floor transforms travel into an unforgettable luxurious escape. It is the kind of feature that doesn't just make the motorhome unique, it makes it legendary. Powering this giant mansion on wheels is a next-generation turbo diesel engine engineered for efficiency, stability, and long-distance touring. Despite its enormous size, the T2000 maintains impressive performance, smooth handling, and a quiet ride thanks to advanced noise reduction engineering. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 is more than a vehicle, it is a lifestyle statement, a symbol of freedom blended with unmatched luxury. It invites its owner to live anywhere, travel everywhere, and never compromise comfort, elegance, or space. This is the future of motorhome luxury, and it truly is bigger, bolder, and more extraordinary than your house. When you look at the back side of the 2026 Kenworth T2000 3-story motorhome, you quickly realize why this vehicle is considered one of the boldest luxury engineering feats ever built. The rear view alone looks like the entrance of a futuristic mansion rather than the backside of a motorhome. Everything about it, from its height, structure, lighting, and finishing, gives the impression of a high-end architectural masterpiece placed on wheels. The first thing that captures attention is the towering 3-level vertical profile, clearly visible from the back. Unlike traditional motorhomes where the rear is mostly flat and simple, the T2000 displays its grand structure proudly. You can see clean horizontal divisions separating each floor, each one featuring panoramic glass panels, metallic trims, and LED strips that run smoothly around the edges. At night, the back illuminates with a glowing luxury aura, making the vehicle appear like a mobile skyscraper cruising through the dark. The full white exterior shines beautifully, creating a smooth, uninterrupted finish across the entire rear. The glossy surface reflects surrounding lights like a polished diamond, adding depth and elegance to the already impressive design. Every inch of the rear is sculpted for aesthetic appeal: rounded edges, a streamlined shape, and chrome accents that highlight the vehicle's premium identity. Instead of the rugged look often seen in heavy-duty motorhomes, this one looks refined, polished, and extremely modern. One of the most iconic features on the back is the massive vertical LED taillights. These lights stretch across multiple levels, giving the motorhome a futuristic, tower signature that resembles luxury yachts and high-end concept vehicles. The lights aren't just functional, They represent the powerful presence of the T2000 and serve as a visual reminder that this motorhome belongs to an entirely different class of luxury travel. The lower section of the back features an advanced multi-purpose platform. This area includes hidden compartments, towing connections, a fold-out storage system, and reinforced chrome bumpers. Even the smallest design elements feel crafted with intelligence and care. The rear also integrates aerodynamic curves that help reduce drag, proving that even though the vehicle is gigantic, it still prioritizes engineering finesse and efficiency. If you look closely at the rear windows, you can see subtle hints of the interior luxury. The lower floor reveals parts of the living lounge, the middle floor hints at bedroom suites, and the upper floor suggests access to the sky lounge or rooftop deck. These glass sections allow natural light inside while giving the back of the vehicle a modern architectural beauty. Overall, the back view of the 2026 Kenworth T2000 is more than just a design feature, it is a statement. It shows innovation, craftsmanship, and a bold vision of what a motorhome can become. It is elegant, powerful, towering, and undeniably luxurious. When you see this giant from behind, you instantly understand why people say this motorhome is bigger and more impressive than most actual houses. Stepping inside the 2026 Kenworth T2000 three-story motorhome feels like entering a world where design, technology, and luxury blend into one seamless masterpiece. The interior is not just spacious, it is extraordinary, crafted to offer the experience of a high-end penthouse rather than a vehicle on wheels. Everything inside the T2000 has been built with the mindset that comfort should be limitless and that every moment of travel should feel like living in a five-star mansion. The first level welcomes you with a grand living lounge that stretches across the entire width of the motorhome. Soft ambient LED lighting creates a warm, elegant glow, highlighting the marble texture floors and high-quality leather furniture. The seating arrangement includes oversized reclining sofas, a cinematic entertainment system, and panoramic floor-to-ceiling windows that transform the outside scenery into moving artwork. Whether parked in a forest, desert, or city, the interior becomes an immersive viewing gallery. The kitchen area on the first floor feels like something taken straight from a luxury apartment. It comes equipped with premium stainless steel appliances, full-size fridge, induction stove, microwave, and smart storage cabinets. The marble countertop reflects the ambient lighting beautifully, while the built-in smart controls allow you to adjust lighting, temperature, or appliances with just a touch. The dining area is equally refined, featuring elegant chairs and a fold-out dining table that saves space without compromising style. Moving upward through a crystal-clear glass staircase, you reach the second level, designed primarily as a private retreat zone. This floor houses multiple bedrooms, each crafted with premium materials such as soft-touch walls, memory foam beds, under-bed storage, and luxury linens. The large panoramic windows continue here as well, making each room feel spacious and airy. The master bedroom stands out with its king-size bed, wardrobe-style closet, mood lighting, and soundproofing for peaceful sleep even during long travel. The bathrooms on this level are surprisingly spacious. Featuring rainfall showers, smart mirrors, heated flooring, and high-pressure water systems, they were designed to give a spa-like experience. The elegant balance of glass, chrome, and marble creates a futuristic yet calm environment. It's easy to forget you're inside a motorhome, the craftsmanship makes it feel like a luxury hotel suite. Finally, the third floor elevates the experience to an entirely new dimension, literally. This top level is a sky lounge, an area built for relaxation, entertainment, and panoramic viewing. Surrounded by glass walls, it serves as a 360-degree observation deck. It can be used as a lounge, office, mini cinema, gaming area, or private retreat zone. At night, the soft LED strips on the ceiling and floors create a dreamlike atmosphere, perfect for stargazing or simply unwinding above the world. Every corner of the 2026 Kenworth T2000's interior reflects intelligent design, luxury craftsmanship, and futuristic innovation. It isn't just a motorhome interior, it's a lifestyle upgrade, a mobile castle, and a masterpiece of comfort on wheels. The engine of the 2026 Kenworth T2000 three-story motorhome is the true powerhouse behind this massive rolling mansion. While the exterior and interior steal attention with their luxury, it is the engineering under the hood that makes the entire experience possible. Moving a three-story structure with the stability of a luxury yacht and the smoothness of a premium SUV requires far more than an ordinary motorhome engine. The T2000 delivers exactly that: raw power, advanced efficiency, and next-generation technology working in harmony. At the heart of this colossal machine lies a next-generation turbo-diesel engine designed specifically for heavy-duty luxury motorhomes. This engine is built to handle extreme weight without compromising performance or comfort. With its high torque output, it supplies enough pulling power to move the three-story structure effortlessly even on steep inclines or challenging terrain. The engineering team ensured the engine delivers strong low-end torque, which is essential for stability, acceleration, and smooth highway cruising. Despite its massive size, the engine is surprisingly refined. The 2026 model introduces advanced noise reduction technology that reduces vibration and engine hum inside the cabin. This ensures that the living quarters, whether on the first, second, or third floor, stay quiet and peaceful during travel. Even at high speeds, the motorhome maintains a luxury car level of noise insulation, making long journeys more relaxing. Fuel efficiency has also been significantly improved. The engine uses intelligent fuel management systems, precision injectors, and optimized turbo cooling to maximize performance while minimizing consumption. This means the motorhome can cover long distances without frequent refueling stops, a crucial advantage for cross-country touring. The hybrid assist technology further enhances efficiency by providing extra power during acceleration while lowering engine strain. The engine bay itself reflects meticulous craftsmanship. The layout is clean, spacious, and organized in a way that highlights the motorhome's premium engineering. Chrome components, polished metal pipes, and reinforced structural parts show the careful attention given to durability and aesthetics. LED illumination installed around the engine makes maintenance easier and gives the engine bay a futuristic look. Cooling is another area where the 2026 Kenworth T2000 excels. A multi-stage cooling system ensures the engine stays stable even on long journeys or in hot climates. The airflow has been redesigned to eliminate heat pockets while improving overall engine life. The enhanced cooling system works silently, complementing the vehicle's commitment to quiet luxury travel. The engine's safety mechanisms are equally advanced. Real-time diagnostics constantly monitor temperature, fluid levels, emissions, and performance. If something unusual is detected, the onboard system immediately alerts the driver and can even enter protective mode to prevent damage. This adds peace of mind when traveling long distances with a heavy multi-story structure. In summary, the engine of the 2026 Kenworth T2000 is not just powerful, it is intelligent, refined, and engineered for long-term reliability. It supports the massive three-story design with ease while offering the quietness, smoothness, and efficiency of a next-generation luxury vehicle. The motorhome may look like a mansion from the outside, but it moves with the grace, confidence, and strength of a true engineering masterpiece.